Hey guys, so welcome back to another video. I'm super excited because there's a special car at the back of me, and I think because I've just purchased my Mark II, this just gets me all excited. So we've got Naresh here, good buddy. I know him for a long time, and we're gonna be focusing on his Mark II, going into a bit of detail and a bit on the business that he's affiliated to here. Stunning place, and we'll show you guys that a bit later. So, Naresh, thank you so much.
Thank you, Mo.
I appreciate you making the time, arranging this for me, and excited. You know, it's my third feature. I only announced this a week ago, and we're sitting on the third car. So let's get straight into it. What is it about your Mark II that you love? Why a Mark II?
So I'm Naresh. This is my Mark II GTI. It's a 1990. It's a 1.88 valve. For me, it's a cult classic.
Yeah.
For its age, it's got 455,000 Ks on the clock.
Say that again?
455,000 Ks.
Oh my word.
It's solely managed and maintained by a good friend of mine, Sanjeev from SSR Performance.
Okay.
The car has every bit of the 90s in it. So from the wheels to the sound system, it's got an Alpine cassette player with cassettes at the bottoms. There's no Bluetooth in the car, so it's got CDs at the back.
Wow.
So it takes you back to a simpler time when there was no high-tech technology. You jump in your car, you feel the road, you feel the bumps. When you give it gas, you'll smell that fuel. It's just a 90s classic for me.
It's simple, it's old school.
Yes,
And I think a lot of us, I mean me, and I think you and a lot of us are from that time where that's all we looked at. There's certain cars we looked.
Exactly.
I mean, I remember times where I was still riding my bicycle, but looking at specifics, Mark IIs, E30s.
100%.
And there was a vision and a dream to hopefully one day own it.
Exactly.
You know?
So growing up, obviously, Mark I GTIs were the best things to come out. Unfortunately, with my height and a bit of the stomach, Mark I's, I don't fit the car anymore. The Mark II is a comfortable space to be in. It's a nice space to be in. It's got aircon, it's got leather. Unfortunately, like I said on another video before, there's no power steering. So when you're coming around the bend, you're holding that steering and you're enjoying the car. You feel every bit of the drive. So that's that for me. I'll take you through the car and I'll show you all the bits and pieces.
Let's get straight into the car, but I think what the viewers need to understand is for a car with 400,000 Ks, it's driven. Not all the time, but it's used.
It's used. It gets when it is used. I'm sad to say this. My mom shouldn't be watching this video, but and my wife. But when it gets driven, it gets a hiding.
While we're talking, let's get straight into it. But valid point. I mean, it's got to be driven. It's got to be enjoyed. You know,
100%.
So I haven't seen this car for some time.
Yeah.
I think you were on stage at Campfest not too long ago.
It's there. It's at Campfest almost every
year. I want to show the viewers, like, let's move this. You guys got to focus on this car, and this is what makes this car special. So, for example, that cover is something I've never seen in my life. That's special. That's brought in, right?
So this was imported by Eugene from Classic Car Spares.
Yes, I've heard about him.
He brought the headlight covers in, he brought every single badge in, the bonnet guards.
So that's a rare item. If you look at the headlights, guys, it's original Hellas, brand new.
Yes, brand new.
It's a brand new badge. That's a brand new original badge. These were recently put in, and if you look at those, brand new and original. Also, you don't see many Mark IIs with these reflectors on.
Yeah.
So if you really know your Mark IIs, you will know.
And if you know your Mark IIs, that's an original Toho cover that does.
Look at that. Exactly. I've actually never known about that. So I learned something new today. If we go through the vehicle, let's show the guys. I mean, that as well. So right now, my handles are not working on my car. I need to get new ones. I mean, come on. How do you go wrong with something like that? From an interior condition, look at that. The gear knob, the right radio,
It's even got the cassette holder at the bottom.
Yes, there, the
Full up
bottom.
with cassettes.
And I think overall condition, I mean, it's got its, and that's it's got its normal wear and tear. I think that's common on the, I prefer that
Yeah,
than something recovered.
recovered 100%.
So she's a beautiful original car.
It's original work wheels.
We love the sticker there. Nice sticker. It's done right. It's done right. Let's check what, this is also quite special, right?
Yeah,
What is a Zender?
So this is a Zender, obviously a rear spoiler.
Yes.
It's got, this is an original Hella heck blend.
Wow, okay.
Obviously the badges. And then fitting with the theme of the car, because it's an original car and the car has won OG at Campfest.
Yes.
The
right number plate,
is
obviously.
registered to the car. It's OG marked.
So that's an original, that's a license like that. That's owned by him, OG Mark II. If you go through the badges, guys, again, he's done the exact same thing. Brand new original from this license plate holder.
Yeah, that's
original.
awesome.
That, like you said, is hella. It's
Original
got the original
mud
lights. It's got a nice, simple sound setup in there.
Also from the 90s. These,
so, a bit of perspective, guys. Mirror image is what?
So, mirror image was, it was and still is my company.
Your company, exactly.
We did detailing, and we've come now over to Onyx Auto.
Okay.
And
this is the main focus now.
This is the main focus now. We will actually walk you through the entire shop, and we will show you exactly what we do here.
I mean, I could talk about this car the whole day and enjoy it the whole day, but let's also focus on
Onyx Auto.
Onyx Auto, exactly. I mean, I walked in here, it's like, can I just spend the whole day here? So tell us more about this beautiful place.
So Onyx Auto is a premium company that we look after not only high-end, we will look after any vehicle that you have. Vehicle can come in for a car wash. It can come in for a full detail. It can come in for PPF. We can do color changes. All gets done in-house. Our PPF, we don't believe in cutting PPF on the vehicles.
Yes, that's something I saw which impressed me.
We've got a state-of-the-art machine there. We've got software that prints out the PPF for the vehicles, and we've got skills.
Let's walk through. While we're chatting, let's show you guys.
First stop goes into our wash
right there, okay?
So it gets washed, it gets decontaminated, it gets a clay bar treatment, all that gets done there. So this vehicle has got full PPF done on it. We've done a stack PPF on this car. It's in for its maintenance wash now, and it'll go there, get detailed, and it's off to. So once it's there, vehicles come over here to the corner. This is our preparation stages. So it gets polished, it gets detailed, it gets the interior cleaned up. So this is our prep stages. So all our cars go through this here. It gets paint correction. If it needs a paint, if you're doing a detail, it gets paint correction, it gets a polish, it gets a wax on it. We do our ceramic coatings all in here.
So it's there, so it's 3 steps. It's wash,
prep, and then the PPF there.
Okay. So I think it's simple, guys. Purchase your vehicle, brand new vehicle.
Even if it's an old vehicle.
Either get into it and drive it straight,
Exactly.
But I like what you said. We work on your old vehicles as well.
Anything.
So it's anything comes in, but you're getting the same treatment. You're getting the same service.
Exactly. So as you can see.
So this is almost done.
So this one is, so now we've laid down all the PPF on the vehicle.
Okay.
So now the guys will go through it, final touches. Then we do, so we can't emphasize this enough, but we do at least 3 to 4 QCs on the car.
Oh, wow.
So the fitter, the manager of the fitter, he does a QC check. One of the other managers, he'll do a QC check. After the detailing is done, the detailing department does a QC check. Then I do a QC check. Then my boss does a QC check. So we try and eliminate as much as possible before it goes out the door, because we don't want it going out the door and next day there's a lift on the vehicle. It's not a good thing for us. So we try our best to our quality, and we look after a client's car as if it was ours.
That's the only way.
And every client that's walked through the door, I mean, I've got them on WhatsApp. I chat to them on WhatsApp. We become friends because that's the relationship we want with our clients.
So guys, Onyx Auto, where exactly is this?
We're in 563 Old Pretoria, Midrand.
Midrand?
Yeah.
check them out on socials.
Yeah.
Pull in. You trust me, you want to come check it out. There's a few things I might want to do with you guys. Yeah, I've got a few plans.
Bring it, bring it, bring
So
it.
come check them out, guys.
Yeah.
Thanks again. I really enjoyed
Absolute
our
pleasure.
chat regarding the Mark II.
Absolute
I'm
pleasure.
excited that I've got a VW on the channel.
Yeah.
I hope many more.
Yeah.
Guys, if you own a Mark II as well, so to give you perspective, Niresh manages, he's the founder of a page called
The VW Mark II Owners of South Africa.
Check it out on Facebook. I'm on there. A lot of us are on there. We've got a WhatsApp group that he started. They've got a massive event coming up on the 6th
6th
of June, which
yes.
doesn't make me happy because it's Beamerfest weekend and I'm going to be busy. So I'm not driving there, but
We will.
it seems like he's got a lot of things planned.
Yeah.
And this is where I want to be. I want to be in the space where I'm enjoying my Mark II,
Enjoy.
speaking to other owners.
We buy our cars not to pickle them. We drive it and we enjoy our
100%.
cars.
That's it. That's it. I've got a rule. I'm not buying these cars for it to just sit.
Yeah.
I want to enjoy them, but I want to enjoy it with other owners. So I'm
100%.
super excited. Join the group, join the Facebook group. Make contact with Naresh via that page. He can add you into the WhatsApp group.
100%.
Enjoy the events. There should be more we plan to do here. I'm hoping as well more VW owners come forward. So remember, for now, it's just Johannesburg. So anything cool, unique, old school, can be fully modified, customized, or regional. Let's showcase the quality of the vehicles that we have.
Exactly.
I'm just blown away by your condition,
Yeah.
your mileage, and that you put in. You don't go and overdo it.
Yeah,
You put in the
it's
right
subtle.
bits to the car that makes it stand out. I'm excited because I think you've been at Campfest for the past 2 years.
No, this
Oh, you've been
car's
there?
a long time.
A long time. So my goal, I'm not going to say a lot, I'm not going to say what I'm planning, but my next goal is to actually be at Campfest with the Mark II,
Please do.
with a
Please do.
few small changes that's my style. We
Please,
don't, I
please.
always say to the guys, and I'm going to touch on it, don't build your vehicles for,
Everybody else.
exactly, don't go to Campfest or wherever it is to build something for someone else.
Exactly.
Do what you do what you love, it's your money, and let's enjoy this community. So thanks again for watching, guys. I hope we have many more vehicles up.
We will. We will.
And please make sure you visit the business. We catch you on the next video.
Thank you.